Hi. It's time to learn how to say what I like and dislike. I like. I do not like. I love. I enjoy. I don't enjoy. My favorite is. Again.
I like. I do not like. I love. I enjoy. I don't enjoy. My favorite is.
Examples.
I like ice cream. I do not like chocolate. I love my parents. I enjoy playing with friends. I don't enjoy watching TV. My favorite teacher is Ms. Jones.
I like toys. I do not like rain. I love vegetables. I enjoy drawing. I don't enjoy writing. My favorite shape is a rectangle.
I like books. I don't like boats. I love studying. I enjoy biking. I don't enjoy swimming. My favorite number is 7.
I like my friends. I do not like spiders. I love my family. I enjoy the beach. I don't enjoy the mountains. My favorite toy is Lego.
I like cooking. I do not like washing the dishes. I love animals. I enjoy school. I don't enjoy doing homework. My favorite day is Saturday.
Conversations. What fruit do you like?
I like strawberries.
Do you like apples?
No, I do not like apples.
What food do you love?
I love broccoli.
What sport do you enjoy?
I enjoy soccer.
Do you enjoy badminton?
No, I don't enjoy badminton.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is tug of war.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs.
Do you like cats?
No, I do not like cats.
What snack do you love?
I love fruit salads.
What hobby do you enjoy?
I enjoy reading books.
Do you enjoy playing the piano?
No, I don't enjoy playing the piano.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the playground.
What toy do you like?
I like my teddy bear.
Do you like board games?
No, I do not like board games.
What song do you love?
I love action songs.
What exercise do you enjoy?
I enjoy jump rope.
Do you enjoy running?
No, I don't enjoy running.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Your turn. I like. I do not like. I love. I enjoy. I don't enjoy. My favorite is. Good job. Bye.